made a big space here between the notochord and the lateral sheaths. And the reason for that is that over the years I found that sometimes the notochord moves toward the lateral sheath and closes off the space somewhere. And sometimes the lateral sheath moves, I can't do that, it moves toward the notochord. So another exploration is to feel your notochord, feel your central axis, not holding it, like now, okay, now I feel it. I am going to practice my feeling my notochord, and you just age it, is to feel your notochord and then feel the lateral sheaths. You have this in the middle, and you have a sheath here and a sheath there. I guess I should have left it like that. And to open your awareness, you can't make it, it's there, to the space between your notochord and the left side and the notochord on your right side. So yesterday I was sharing how you feel the space between the front and the back and the side business. This is feeling the space not between the right and left, but between the center, the axis, which is space. The notochord has disappeared. So, Jonah, when you said what's there, it's like, it's hard to say because they're not there anymore. Only the energy of them is there. It's like we're not babies, but who we were as a baby is still inside of us. So feeling that space. So now, I don't know if you can tell, I'm feeling the space on this side, but not this side. So I'm feeling this space, but not this one. So how do I then feel the space here? So it's the space that holds the information. Rather than feeling I have this center thing, I got it. Now I have this one and this one. Okay, I got it. They're both in space. All of it's in space. And then something arises and there's space here and there's space here. So that in a way I know my center because there's space between it and the sides. Even if I'm doing something that doesn't look like I'm a three-dimensional, those spaces are still there. It's not just a cardboard flat thing. So people say, oh, you should never sit. You shouldn't sit this way. It's not good for the posture. But you see, I'm okay because I can still have levity. I just changed my outer form. If I go like this, now I've lost my form. I've lost something. I've lost the vitality of my origins. I can't jump it up. I just feel those origins again, then I have levity. So it's not the position. I'm fine. But if I lose that central consciousness, then I'm just going to have to then, okay, Bonnie, bring your pelvis in, lower this shoulder. No, maybe I'll lower that one. No, maybe, I don't know which one you should lower, but lower both of them. And get your head on. Be sure your knee is over your second toe. It reminds me of many years ago, Peanuts, and Lucy telling him how to crawl, and finally he's just flat on the floor. He can't move. And it's not that those things don't happen, but we've been taught to direct our structure instead of feeling the consciousness of it.
Can you say that again, please?
Yes, that we've been taught and trained, and then we teach and train how to manipulate our structure. Rather than how does the structure, it created itself. It knows what to do. How do we tap that knowledge That's a given. It happened already. We can't learn it. It's not the future. It happened.